It was this big. It was almost softball size, and there was some softball size. I mean, this hailstorm was the worst I've ever seen. I'm in my mid 60s.
Wow.
And I've been here most